No matter how much you scrub, spray, and sanitize, it's impossible to avoid the millions of pathogens like viruses, bacteria, or allergens that surround us. That's because up to 95% of all pathogens enter our bodies through our mouth or nose, carried through the air we breathe, the food we eat, and hand-to-mouth contact. One of our body's first lines of defense are IgA antibodies, first responders which lock onto pathogens and block them from entering the permeable mucous membrane that lines our mouths, noses, intestines, and lungs. IgA helps neutralize threats before they can take hold.
In everyday life, we all encounter viruses and bacteria on a daily basis. They're on the foods we eat, they're in the water we drink, they're in the air we breathe. And the body has special mechanism for protecting us from them. They are the antibodies that it produces, and of course intuitively, the more of these antibodies we have, certainly the more protection we have available to us.
4-Life Transfer Factor has been shown in studies to have a significant impact on T cells and NK cells, both primary components of our body's natural defenses. In fact, the amazing results of 4-Life Transfer Factor on the production of NK cells is well documented, showing an incredible 437% increase in cell activity. Now, a new 5-week study of healthy adults dramatically demonstrates 4-Life Transfer Factor's amazing ability to affect B cells and boost IgA production, further enhancing your body's first line of defense. The study showed that 100% of study participants who had never before taken transfer factor experienced a significant increase in IgA production after taking 4-Life Transfer Factor Tri-Factor formula for just 2 weeks, followed by an additional 2 weeks of 4-Life Transfer Factor RioVita. The average increase was a staggering 73%, and in many cases, this increase was evident as early as 2 weeks into the study.
In the research that we did, there's a couple of remarkable things I think that stood out from the research. One is everyone who took the transfer factor products had a greater immune response in terms of antibodies produced. And also, we've discovered that transfer factor influences another arm of immunity, which before we hadn't even suspected that it related to.
Time and again, in study after study, 4-Life Transfer Factor stands as a superior supplement, providing the critical immune intelligence that your body and your lifestyle demand. Fortify your first line of defense with 4-Life Transfer Factor.